boys. Oh, boys, the sun's starting to come out. Oh, it's gonna be a good day for drifting, I tell you what.
Sounds like I'm down a cylinder.
Well, my tires held up all day. Sure did. Bueno is a win. Hey, big fella. What's up?
About to make another run, man.
How's the car doing?
It's running real good now. I took the hood off.
I don't know if you did that.
Yeah, so it's getting a little warm.
It looks cooler too. Lets you know what's there.
Yeah, ball doors and shit screaming. Come ride with me a little bit or what?
Yeah, sure. I never got a ride. I'm sad. Thanks, Malcolm. Getting my hopes up, shut me down. I really like this car. I don't know why. Sorry, Burl. I kind of walked up with the camera, and usually, like when I walk up to people's cars with the camera, anyone that's around it kind of scatters because I don't want to be in the video. So, just kind of go ahead and apologize now. So I can't help but notice that you have a Deechworks sticker, but I don't see any Deechworks parts under the hood.
What do you mean? He didn't look hard enough.
Did I not look hard enough? Let's see if we can find what Deechworks part he's running. See, just look on over here. Nothing to see. Nope. Nope. He's running the Deechworks gauge. That's all he's running. Yep, just the gauge. Actually, I need to get one of these for my car. But yeah, poser. All right, I'm gonna put a stop right there. So basically, the car had been kind of like acting up all day, and we were trying to do comp in his car since mine wasn't there. I hadn't had a chance to like fully get everything ready on my car and, you know, make it to the event. So that's kind of why we're pushing it. It's broken. We ended up not doing qualifying, and that put us in last place. Well, he was in last place. I was in second to last, thanks to the alphabet. But yeah, so we ended up doing comp in Cory's car. So when you see us drifting, I'll put a little like thing on the bottom says Taylor, and then me, or I don't know, Dakota. Anyways, let you back to it. Let you get back. You know what I mean?
It's gotta be in the tube. Yeah, I didn't see anything loose or anything. I mean, I've got air, fuel, spark. Sounds like I'm down a cylinder. Yeah. Pull the plugs when we get back. Points are better than no points. Not blowing up a motor is better than blowing up a motor. Alright, Cory. We need the Mustang. Definitely down a cylinder. I don't want to run it. Okay.
So yeah, we didn't end up running Taylor's car. I pretty much already said that. So just kind of ease you into comp. Taylor's going to go first, then it's going to be me, and then that's it. Spoilers. We lost. Alright, so this is Taylor. Going first. Throwing in really deep. Spinning out pretty bad. The car is really funky with the steering. I don't know if any of you guys have ever driven a Mustang, but it does not feel normal. I'm also gonna be watching it. And just flicked it too hard. The car doesn't react very fast. There's Taylor's lead run. Pretty solid. Kind of bailed right there. So far so good. And same problem earlier. Just flicked it a little too hard. You have to steer so early. So this is me. Still trying to figure out what the car can do. See, I tried to get into it too early and it punished me. No spinouts though. Sort of a spinout? I don't know. Why not? Here's me leading, not finding third gear for the dozen times I tried to stick it in. Look at this. Look at that. Second lap in the car. Kind of straightened a little bit there. Going on out to that outside zone. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I'd say so myself. Out to the other outside zone. Got it. Yeah.
I could drop it down to 10. That would be really neat.
So yeah, that's comp. Kind of a shame that we ended up in a borrowed car. I really feel like we would have done really well in Taylor's car. Definitely would have made it into, I would have to say like the grade 8 or something like that. His car is very confidence inspiring. So there's a lot of grip there. It's pretty well built. It's real easy to drive. You can put the car anywhere you want. So it'll be real interesting to see what it's like driving my car, you know? So yeah, let's get back to some drifting. Yeah? Sounds good to me. Let's do it. Alright, so this is Burl in the white E30. It's one of my buddies. So far, pretty solid. A little off that clipping point, but solid run. Managed to get out to the outside. And thanks to Ethan for the camera work, and I'll be able to see what's going on. Alright, Burl's follow. Different Z entries, here's. Looks like he's following wide with him. I'm not sure what happened there. I think Burl was expecting the dude to bail and he... Oh well. Kind of screwed him, but it is what it is. I think if the guy would have ran a tighter line, but that's kind of the deal with comp is you have to pay attention. Here's Brad in the white BRZ. Who is following him? All over the place. Brad just putting out a solid line. Could be a little more consistent. He had a little bobble like in the closer area. Let's see what happens on his follow. Guys putting it on a much better lead run. Oof. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Everything looked consistent until that outside clipping point. Outside zone? Yeah, it's a zone. Oh. Oh boy, look what I just found. I found some footage of me in competition driving Cory's Mustang. I didn't even know I had this.
Second lap was better.
This thing sucks.
Yeah, dude. The steering has zero feel.
Thanks for driving, bro.
This thing sucks.
I'm gonna borrow a car, man.
Same, dude. I figured.
Yeah.
I mean, I tried.
You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. But yeah, he got it.
Yeah. God damn, dude.
Dude, it sucks. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, it's one of those.
I think it's down.
Nope, that's 6.
Where's reverse? There we go.
Found it. Tell me when.
I mean, honestly, neither of you have ever driven this car before, though.
Huh?
That's fine.
Okay.
How did it feel?
Garbage.
So I had a lot better luck than Taylor did,
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I saw
but
your lead run was, I mean, it was killer.
yeah,
Yeah, his lead run was like,
The-
like you felt the car. Dude, that steering
It'll
has
be on.
nothing.
It'll be on there next. The wheel will be on there next week.
well, that's not gonna change. The lightness of it is what the problem is,
Yeah.
because whenever you like flick it, the wheel doesn't like continue to rotate. It like slows down actually.
Because it's electric assist.
Yeah,
It just does what it wants.
yeah. So, I mean, I figured it out, but it's still like you can see like I bobbled a lot just because of like trying to adjust with it. So.
Burl? So are we both last?
Yep.
Alright.
Okay, that's it. That's all. Get out of here. Go watch something else. It's over with. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you didn't, let me know in the comments. And if you didn't like me commenting over anything or whatnot, leave that in the comments. I'll take it into account and then ignore it, and then probably do it in the next video anyways, because it's really fun for me to do. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and what else? I'll leave all the teammates' Instagrams as well in the description. And yeah, have a great day and keep daydreaming.